Hello, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to learn how to use get function and get title function. Now open a new class file. Write the main function. In Eclipse there is a suggestion feature where if I just write main and press Ctrl plus space, Eclipse will give you all the predictions related to the word main. After main function, as thought in the other video, we will first set key and value in set property. WebDriver.Chrome.Driver as key. Path of Chrome driver as value. Now let's create an object for the Chrome driver. WebDriver driver equals new Chrome driver. Now let's use the get function to input URL. Now we will close the web page with close function. Now let's run the program. Chrome browser will open successfully. The web page will open and close. So, we can't view the contents of the page. So, we have to give over loading method called sleep. Sleep method is present in thread class. So we give thread.sleep and we give time in milliseconds. If we use thread.sleep, we are interrupting the flow of the program. So Java will throw exception that the flow of the program was interrupted. We should handle the exceptions that are thrown. If we move the cursor near thread.sleep, Java suggests to add throws declaration and select interrupted exception so the exception is handled. Now let's get the title of the page. Now let's assign the title to the variable using getTitle function. Let's take a string variable. After assigning, we now need to print the variable. Now run the program. Selenium will open the Google web page. and wait for 3 seconds. And the title of the page will be displayed in the console. Now let's try with different web page. Let's copy the URL of Google Finance page. Paste it in the get function. Now let's run the program. Selenium will open the Google Finance web page. And wait for 3 seconds. And the title of the page will be displayed in the console. So in this video we have learnt get function, get title, close function. Thank you for watching this video. For more Selenium content, subscribe the channel.